Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends and students. Today I came with a new trick and a new video. Today I wanted to discuss with you circles chapter. This type of question will also helpful in all competitive exams and all state board exams like ICSE, CBSE, AP, TS, all board exam. Now I am going to directly explain you Aparnika Reddy Institute of Mathematics and Sciences aims date to success made in India. Super speed shortcut tips tricks solution within 10 seconds especially made for you. And today I am going to directly question locate the position of the point P1, 2 with respect to the circle x square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96 is equal to 0. Aims date to success super speed shortcut tips and tricks solution within 10 seconds especially made for you. Now I wanted to write a given point. Given point is px1 comma y1 is equal to 1 comma 2. Next given circle, let it be take, you can write as s. S is x square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96. Let it be take s. Next I wanted to go to locate the position from the point with respect to the circle means we wanted to find s11. We wanted to find S11. S11 shortcut, I wanted to tell you logic. Wherever you want to find S11, our logic is put x is equal to x1 and y is equal to y1. This is our logic, super shortcut. Next S11 at x is equal to x1 substitute, so we get x1 square plus y is y1 square plus 6x1 plus 8y1 minus 96. So S11 value is x1 value is 1, so 1 whole square plus y1 value is 2 whole square plus 6 into x1 value 1 plus 8 into y1 value 2 minus 96. So S11 value 1 square is 1 plus 2 square 2 2s are 4 plus 6 1s are 6 plus 8 2s are 16 minus 96. So S11 is equal to 6 plus 4 10 plus 26 10 plus 16 is 26 26 plus 1 is 27 minus 96. So next we wanted to find small value minus big value. So small value minus big value is a negative symbol. So 96 minus 27, we can find 96 minus 27. So 66 minus 7, it is not going. So here 8 borrowing 16. 16 minus 7 is 16 minus 7 is 9. 8 minus 2 is 6. So 27 minus 96 is minus 69. Minus 69 means less than 0. So we got S11 is less than 0. Locate the position. So I am writing I wanted to draw the circle. For this circle, this less than 0 means that condition is inside it. This point P1, 2 lies interior of the circle. Interior means inside of the circle. So the given point P1, 2 lies is in the inside of the circle. Inside of the circle. This is the answer. Next same model question. Locate the position of the point P2, 4 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. Aims date to success super speed shortcut tips tricks solution within 10 seconds especially made for you. Now I wanted to write a given point px1, y1 is equal to 2, 4 and let it be take the circle is s. S is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11. Now I wanted to find S11. locate the position of the point to get this value. We want to find S11. So I want to tell you logic. S11 means if you wanted to find S11, you can remember put x is equal to x1 and y is equal to y1. So here S11 is x square, so x1 square plus y square, y is y1, substituting here y1 square, minus 4x1 minus 6y1 plus 11. x1 y1 value is 2 comma 4. Now I am substituting here. We get S11 is equal to x1 square 2 square plus y1 square 4 square minus 4 into x1 value 2 minus 6 into y1 value 4 plus 11. S11 is equal to 2 square 2 2s are 4 plus 4 square 4 4s are 16 minus 4 2s are 8 plus minus 6 4s are 24 plus 11. S11 value is 16 plus 4 is 20, okay, plus 20 plus 11 is 20 plus 11 is 31, minus 8 minus 24 is minus 32. 31 minus 32 is equal to minus 1. Small value minus big value is negative symbol. Minus 1 is less than 0. Now I want to draw the circle. This is a circle. Look at the position. S11 is equal to minus 1 is less than 0. Less than 0 means inside of the circle. This point 2 comma 4 lies inside of the circle. Therefore the given point P2 comma 4 is inside of the circle. Inside of the circle. This is the answer. Next, one more similar model question. Locate the position of the point P3 comma 4 with respect to the circle. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Aims date to success. Super speed shortcut tips tricks solution within 10 seconds especially made for you. Now I wanted to explain you solution. Given point Px1 comma y1 is equal to 3 comma 4. Next, given circle, let it be take S. S is equal to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12. So next, locate the position means we wanted to find S11. So our logic is to find S11 value. S11 value find करने के लिए substituting x is equal to x1 or y is equal to y1 in the circle. So we wanted to substitute x is equal to x1, y is equal to y1. We get S11 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 minus 12. So S11 is equal to x1 value 3, y1 value 4. Substituting here we get x1 square is 3 square plus y1 square is 4 square minus 4 into x1 value is 3 minus 6 into y1 value is 4 minus 12. S11 is equal to 3 square 3 3s are 9 plus 4 square 4 4s are 16 minus 4 3s are 12 minus 6 4s are 24 minus 12. S11 value 9 plus 16 is 25. After that these three terms are having minus symbol, so keep minus. 12 12 24 24 24 add cheste 48. So 25 minus 48. Now it is small number minus big number is a negative symbol. So subtracting 48 minus 25. 8 minus 5 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 23. 48 minus 25 is 23. Now 25 minus 48, small number minus big number is negative symbol, minus 23. So minus 23 is less than 0. Now I am presenting circle. S11 less than 0. Less than 0 means inside of the circle. P3 comma 4 lies inside of the circle. Therefore the given point P3 comma 4 is interior of the circle. interior of the circle. What are interior or inside of the circle? Same meaning, interior or inside of the circle. My dear students and friends, if you want to get like this type of more and more super speed shortcut tips, tricks, solutions, you can go through description box. It is in the below. In description box so many playlists are there like this shortcut. You can go through those super speed shortcut tips, tricks, solutions, and many more important questions also there in playlist according to Board of Intermediate Telangana and AP as well as competitive exams playlists are there. You are saving your 100% time and you will get 100% sure success. I wish you all the very best, my dear friends and students. Thank you very much. టు గెట్ సక్సెస్, ఏ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇన్ నీడ్, ఏ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇన్ డీడ్. ఆపదలో ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ మై వీడియో. If you satisfy with my explanation, please subscribe our channel, support with us, share to your friends, like, comment to this video. Thank you. సబ్కా మాలిక్ ఏక్ హై. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. జాయ్ ఆఫ్ షేరింగ్ ఈజ్ కేరింగ్ అండ్ హెల్పింగ్.